Hi, this is Jogendra Singh in this video and you are watching Jogi and You. In this video, you will learn the visual proof of a math equation. This method is quite useful to better understand the cubic formula. This video is especially made for students as well as for the teachers. In this video, I want to give a visual presentation on a plus b the whole cube equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Many students fail to understand this, but after watching this video, they can better understand the cubic formula. Let us see how to explain that equation. First, let us take a cube. The length, breadth and the height of this cube is S. Basically, S is the side of this cube and you know that the volume formula is length into breadth into height, which is S into S into S. That means S cube. Now, instead of having the side as one length, if you want to divide it into two unequal parts, just like this, then you can see that S now is nothing but a combination of A and B. That means the length of this cube is A plus B, breadth is A plus B, and the height is also A plus B. So naturally, if you want to multiply the length by breadth by the height for getting volume, you get A plus B the whole cube. So far, we have understood what we are trying to show as an equation. So the first part is ready, which is one side of the equation, that is A plus B the whole cube. Now let us break this down and see how to derive the formula for A plus B the whole cube. First, I am going to pull this red cube out here, and you know that the length, breadth and the height of this new cube are the same, which is A. So the volume of this part is A into A, which is A cube. Now I am going to take this blue part away. You can see that these both are A, but this is B in length, because we saw that S is nothing but it is A plus B. Since we have pulled out A, so it is B here and the volume of this part become A square B. Now we have similar pieces on all three sides. If we pull out other blue pieces for visual clarity, you will get something like this. This space has the volume of A square B. This one has A square B, and at the last this one has also A square B. So we totally have 3A square B's here. So we have got our volume here as 3 times A square B. Excellent. Now we are going to mark this piece here. So we are going to mark this out with this color. You can see that this length is B, breadth is A, and then the height is B. Now let us pull this out and you can see that this is nothing but AB square in the term of volume. Now let us mark this piece here. You can see that this is A, B and B. And now this is also nothing but it is AB square. And now let us mark this piece here. This is B, B and A. And now let us move this out here and it is AB square, which is the volume for this part. Now the volume here is 3 times AB square for the green parts. Now the next and the final piece is like this, where you can see that all that is left now is B by B and B, which is nothing but its B cube. So if I took all these pieces together just like this, then we have a clear vision that all the parts on the left side are made by the original cube which we took in the first. And on the other hand, we have all the volume formulas which we got from these pieces. We have already found the volume for all these pieces, which is nothing but a plus b the whole cube, and you would be able to get the right side of the equation by adding all these volumes, which is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. How beautiful it is for explanation. Can you see the power of visual appearance in explaining an equation in such a clear and amazing way? All we have done is we took one cube, we broke it down into individual pieces, and we measured the dimensions, and then we labeled all these elements, and then we were able to have all those pieces moving into desired direction, and then we got all the equation in written. In the process, we have been able to prove this noteworthy equation. So my dear friends, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and of course yes, press the bell icon for getting such videos. Thanks for watching.